back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm talk about Hikkaduwa Beach, Sri Lanka. Hikkaduwa is a major tourist attraction in Sri Lanka and is known for its beaches and corals. It is located in the southern province about 17 kilometers northwest of Galle and 98 kilometers south of Colombo. Hikkaduwa Beach is famous for having Sri Lanka's only coral sanctuaries and an abundance of sea turtles, making it one of the best places on the island for snorkeling and diving. It also has a great variety of breaks year-round and is great for surfers from beginners to advanced. So I hope to enjoy video guys. See you soon in my next video.